You're good, you're good. Relax.
Please.
Relax.
Please don't let me die.
No, we're not going to, Ashley.
Please.
We're gonna take care of you.
Please.
We're gonna get you down to the hospital, okay?
Can I turn over so I can breathe?
Relax, relax, relax. Don't hit your head on the ground. You're gonna give yourself a headache.
The video for today shows what a person looks like when they're exhibiting signs of excited delirium. This is often caused by people who abuse synthetic narcotics. Symptoms of excited delirium include an increased body temperature, extreme fear and paranoia, and an inability to control a person's movements. In the video you're about to watch, it took 4 people to hold this woman down while they waited for paramedics to administer a sedative to make it safe for her to be transported to a hospital.
Oh, goodness.
You'll keep it on your face, honey. You're gonna get it. You'll get it wrapped up and it'll choke you out.
Well, give me something to calm me down.
There's nothing to give you.
There's some water.
You'll choke on it the way you're acting. We're gonna have to.
Please, I'm so hot.
I know you are.
I'm so hot. Please.
All right, honey.
This is like the guy that we had
My
yesterday.
body
Yeah.
fire.
Last week too.
Last week, yeah. The poopy guy.
The poopy guy.
Ashley. You don't think you took any drugs?
No.
No drugs today?
You can't get in trouble for it, dear. Just tell them whatever what you took. You can't get in any trouble, okay?
Put me on my side.
You want to be on your
Put
side?
me on my side. So I can
120 maybe?
Meds on the way or something.
Yeah. We're just trying to hold her to protect her. Hurting herself. Hit her head on the concrete or something like that. We had one last day, as a matter of fact, at the Sunoco on West Broad.
Did they make it?
Yeah, they did.
Okay. Oh.
I know this hurt. We're trying to protect you, okay? What kind of medical history do you have, honey?
What? I can't breathe.
Okay.
You gotta slow down.
Slow down, honey.
I can't breathe.
I know. It's okay. We're going to take care of
Did you
you.
mark us on this yet?
Relax.
10-1, we're out here, 192.
Ashley, can you try to stop it? Can you try to control it for us?
I know,
Sometimes when they're talking, they'll kind of hold still for a moment. Ashley!
Please.
Did you say anything about your medical history?
No.
You don't any drug allergies?
Please help me.
We're going to help you.
We're trying.
honey.
I don't want to die like this.
Nope. No, you're not going to die. You're not going to die. We're just holding you down to kind of keep you safe, okay?
You can just shut up my mouth.
What's that?
Yep. Please don't spit.
Ashley, you're going to spit on us. If you can keep from it, please don't spit on us. Okay?
Can you blow on me?
Blow on you?
Yeah. Yeah. Please?
We got AC in the medic here in a minute.
I don't think I'm going to blow on you, honey.
I think this officer will. Can you blow on her, please?
Please.
Blow on her. All right, thank you. Hang tight, I'm gonna blow on you. Okay? Sit still, sit still. Can you feel that? There you go. There you go.
Are you blowing?
Yeah.
You're lying.
Relax, relax. Don't. Oh, I don't want you to hit your head.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself.
I know.
You want to get on your back?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll roll you over to your back.
Right here.
Okay, relax your head. Relax your head.
Ashley, how old are you?
Don't spit on me when you talk. Answer.
Try and relax.
Guys, please.
Oh,
Medics coming.
medics are coming.
Relax,
Ashley,
relax.
what's your last name?
Help me shut up so I can breathe.
Ashley, what's your last
What's your
name?
last name, Ashley?
I don't know.
Okay, all right, that's all right.
Hands like got you squared away. Yep, I'm good. 120 pounds.
Yeah.
Relax.
250 probably. I would guess.
Please, I don't want to die.
Okay, that's
Don't let you die, dear. We got you.
whoop.
Don't hit your head on my knee. It's gonna hurt. Don't.
Blood's coming, dear, okay? You hang in there.
Don't hit your head on my knee.
Oops, sorry. You're okay, brother. Trying to do both. Yep.
Okay, listen. The medics are here. They're walking up. They're walking up.
Good to know.
You got poo-poo over here?
Yeah, right there next to my boot.
Please, I can't.
Whoop. I know, honey. You're breathing.
No.
You're doing a good job breathing. You're breathing really, really fast, and so you feel like you're short of breath. You're probably breathing about 30 times a minute.
You relax.
Hey, Ashley, breathe in your nose. Take a deep breath in your nose, honey.
That's a good place to be over there, actually. You're good,
I know.
Ashley.
I know.
Relax.
I know.
We got you. There you go.
There you
In through
go.
your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Here we go. You're good.
I haven't figured out what drug it is that does this.
Well, it's a mixture of meth and I think opiate.
You're good.
Yeah.
You're good.
This one's over here.
I'm gonna get a tarp up here.
Yeah.
You're good.
Excuse me?
Relax.
Fuck, you need to talk.
To help carry you out, because you're in a weird spot.
Oh, man.
You're good. Relax.
Please don't let me die.
No, we're not going to, Ashley.
Please.
We're gonna take care of you. We're gonna get you down to the hospital, okay?
Can I turn over something?
Relax. Don't hit your head on the ground. You're going to give yourself a headache. Here, you want to move this hand a little bit? You can move this hand a little bit. Move this hand. There you go.
What's that? Okay. I imagine you might get this on the sidewalk or something. See that now.
See it? Sit still, Ashley. Sit still for a minute.
Well, it started down there.
Yeah, she started way over there.
Oh,
We
so that
got
one
the
knows.
fault all the way down there, so.
Hey, might want to grab a collar. 'Cause she did hit her head.
You're good. Ashley, stop. Ashley, stop. What do you want, her arm?
Yeah. Just kind of. All right, we're gonna give you some medicine, okay, honey? We're gonna help you out. Hold still, best you can.
You're good.
Hold still. You're doing good.
Give me more.
Yep.
You gave you all you got. Okay, you're going to feel good here in a minute.
Her legs are stronger than my arms.
Yeah, they get like this stuff gives them human stupid strength.
What do you think it is? Meth and what?
Meth and a narcotic is that what you thought it was?
What's that?
Meth and narcotics?
Yeah, I've seen it a few times. It could be bath salts though.
I've seen this a couple times, and
One
the patient wouldn't say what they had.
guy recently told me it's
Here, we
flocka,
can't take
Well,
the shirt off. We're in public.
which I didn't know was big up here, but it might be.
Yeah.
Where's she bleeding at, Steve?
And
That might be old.
that looks old now.
Actually, that does look.
Somebody called in about her all the way down here on the other side of the street.
Ashley, quit fighting us.
And then a fella out here on the street pulling her out.
You gave her 200? Yeah.
The last guy, they had to give him like 400.
That's what we were just thinking. We started with 2, but
Relax.
Oh,
yeah. I think we need more. I think so too. Draw some more up.
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt.
Just draw another 200 up. That's probably max her. 400.
I almost wonder if a cot would be better because we could actually taper down the cot.
Well, You want a flopper going down that hill on the cot?
Well, I mean, you can tape arms and stuff down on the cot.
You should kind of start that.
There you go, dear.
There she
There you
goes.
go.
There you go.
Good job, Ashley.
All right, let's take advantage of
I
it.
got that sea color. Do you want sea color or not?
I think it's old.
Okay.
Let's just take it here, lay this across her, and then roll it with log roller. Just lay it right across her with log roller. All right, we're gonna roll you over.
There you go, dear.
Try to head first.
Yeah, let's try.
Try to slide it your way.
Okay.
There you go.
Take the stairs or the hill?
The AC is going to be cranked. Super muggy, and then
Eric, ready for information from the Gold Town. 55 Tiger Road is actually 10 minutes old. The caller stating that her kids witnessed